Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Welcome back, everybody. Let's get right to it. Before we go further, remember, guys, our content here is just for education purposes, and we're not financial advisor. And always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, first of all, let us discuss the main gainer for today, ASBP. It hit our second profit taken for today. This one was really great early on in the pre-market watch list that we did early. We spotted this one, guys, around the 35 cent or around the 32 cent before this breakout, went toward the 38 and of course hit the 43 and then went down after hitting the second profit taken for ASBP, as you see here. This chart we did early on before the market open, and now is pulling back down. Let me adjust the resistance for it. Yeah, it's pulling back down, guys. Many stocks is pulling back down lately. Let's see if we gonna have a recovery. We might have a recovery here from the 34. We'll see. CIGL looking great. The same, this one we did update for it here on our Discord. And yeah, it was perfect because it hit our profit taken resistance around the $4.47 and went down as well. DVLT might be good as well to watch. BKKT already broke, almost hit our profit taken here. Yeah, almost hit our profit taken, but I will adjust the support for it because now it's pulling back down a bit. RVYL, the same, is about to do a breakout. Open is holding the support. Welcome, everybody. Nike doing all right. It's testing a new level after the good earnings, of course. RZLV pulled back yesterday. Oracle MU did a huge jump yesterday, guys. What a madness. We got a madness jump yesterday. Unusual jump, actually. Yesterday, once the market closed or once the market opened, we have a huge jump for MU because during the earnings, we got just pulled back, no confidence from the market maker, and now we have a big buyer for it. Yeah, it went really big. Plug, the same, doing all right. Yeah, it's testing our resistance around the $3. APLD jumping as well to new high. Yeah, the market, we have a huge confidence. Tesla, holy baloney, jumping to new high as well. Yeah, the market is doing all right, man. What's going on? Yeah, we have a huge jump for Tesla, APLD, AMD, Plug, SMCI, Mara, a new high as well. Yeah, so the market is confident. For Unity, I can't say the same. Unity is a bit weak here. Yeah. Hood is still strong. Intel still strong. Yeah, Neo the same, is strong. Anyway. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Whatever you are, hit the like button on the way in. We're gonna have a huge day for the market. I'm gonna do update for the swing trade stocks later on Discord, guys. Major updates because the market is shifting on the green side right now. It's shifting. The market is shifting. Let's go back to ASPP, number one stock for today. Number one stock, for my opinion, for today. Looking fantastic. Anyway, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's see who's there. Everybody is here. George, number one today. How are you doing, George? George asked about, yeah, George first today. George is number one today. Okay. EFR, yeah, not a unicorn. Thank you for the reminder. STAI. Let's check the requested stock from our Good hunters and members and supporters. EFR. Let's check EFR first because it's not unicorn. Yeah, it's kind of dead, man. Why you ask me about this one? Is yeah, it flushed early on before here, and now start to reverse. Are you sure is this the one? There's many. There's one on the Nasdaq. There's one here on TSX, EFR, and this. Yeah, there's a lot of EFR. I think the one that you asking maybe which one, man? The $11 or the $21? It's kind of weird. Anyway, let's go to STAI because there is only one. STAI, brother, we have a prominent resistant and seller around 58. So if we want to have a reversal, we have to break the 58. Now is a bit risky. Watch out for 35 as a bottom. And if we broke the 58, yes, we might have the 83 or below that around 70. Yes, but it's too risky, brother. STAI. Okay, $21. I thought so. Yeah, this one, yeah, the $21 looking better. Yeah, it is on the old almost. Let's see. Yeah, it's recovering, but is about to hit the major resistance around the almost the $30. So if we went toward the $30, we might have a pullback. Current support for it is around the 1135 and the bottom is around the 460. Yes. So 1135 is the support, bottom 460, resistant now is around the 30, and after that we have the ultimate level that we might go to is almost around the 72. This is for this one. ASPP, we have yes, a reversal. This is the top gainer for today. Let me just check again if we have something else. Yeah, we don't have a lot of stocks today. Yeah, we don't have a lot of stocks. The only one is ASBP. You are welcome, Anish. IVDA, Norma, IVDA, one of our supporter here on our YouTube membership. Thank you for the support, Norma. IVDA, yes, we got 23% jump. Current resistance is a bit shady, is around the 186. Current support is now is 158, bottom 141. But I don't like it that much. What else we got? HCTI, I don't like it. DFLI, I think we're ready. DFL, DFLI. Many of you asking about HCTI. ACTI, I already checked it early, man. I don't like it that much. Yes. Have a reverse split, I think. Yes. Have a reverse split. Got a support around the 285 ACTI. And yeah, it is a bit shady. Have a other support around the 240, and the first support should be over the 285. But yeah, we need to break the 350 to go around the $4 and maybe the 480. But yeah, you have a strong resistance around the $3.46. But again, I will put it on the waiting list. DFLI looking interesting, guys, to breakout. Yes, sir. We got a really interesting resistance here to break for DFLI, guys. So DFLI, I'm gonna keep it on the list because look interesting. If it held the current support, the 70 cent. Yes, sir. Look at that. I'm gonna keep it second, maybe, or third. Let's see. ASPP is still number one. CIGL double top, yes, around the 450, and now is going down, man. It's going down deep. Is testing the $3.70. We have the $3.25 to retest. But yeah, we didn't break, man. But so far so good. I like it here. So I'm gonna keep DFLI second. DVLT is still okay, but it's still a bit weak. BKKT is a bit weak. RVYL, take it from the list. Keep open on the list. Not bad today, not bad at all. Yeah, DFLI look really interesting now. Yeah, still not overextended, just 21% up. Good morning, everybody. Remember our live streaming we do every day, 30 minutes before the market open. Before that, we always do our update on our Discord. So if you miss ASPP was perfect in the pre-market. Before our live streaming, we did this update on Discord, guys. The best entry was around 32. We already hit 2 profit taken before even the market opened. The other one, CIGL, best entry was around this bottom over the 344. We hit the 447 before even the market opened, and we went down to trade. We did it on our watch list today. Every day we do watch list, guys, before the market open to discuss the market in depth. And of course, as we said, the market once it opens, sometimes there is no entry. The best entry sometimes, or almost 90%, is in the pre-market before the market open. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our Discord and Patreon in the link comment section below. CJET flushed down yesterday. Now maybe will reverse. I will check it with FAMI or FRMI. FRMI CJET. What a scary movement for CJAT yesterday, man. Now it started to reverse a bit for CJAT, but I don't trust it, man. I have trust issue with the stock after flush yesterday. Yeah. It might reverse. It might reverse if we broke the 20. But I will keep it on the waiting list, but not on the main list. FRMI, I don't like it that much, even though in the big picture it look all right. It is a new IPO. Yeah, it's a new IPO. I will keep my eyes closed toward the $40 breakout. It might go toward the 50, but would be better if we dipped to have a better entry around the dip. We have a few support to go to if we dipped. So yeah, FRMI and new IPO, guys, look really interesting. The chart looking promising, pretty much promising. So this is only the stock that we should watch for today, guys. Looking promising for today. The rest is dead. Let's see. We got a question from our elite member. Amana, Unity pulled back. Yeah, Unity still pulling back, is a bit weak, so be careful, man. It's the only weak swing trade stock. If you want to trade it, watch out for the 3730, yes, 3730 should be a good support. And the 3485. So if you want to buy the dip, watch out, because we might reverse now because the market is kind of strong. As you can see here, we have a huge, humongous reversal for many stocks. So this is might entice Unity to go up. So watch out for the 3730. If we held this week and next week is mean time for reversal toward the 40 and 43. If we pull back more, 3485 would be the best candidate for entry. You asked me another question, brother. You asked me about SMCI, NVTS, QuantumScape. SMCI, Maybe I will leave it with the other swing trade that I will do later on for update. Let me just take NVTS and QuantumScape and QSI and QBTS. Again, guys, if you're wondering how you could have short update and answer about your question about if you request a stock and have level for them, you can join us on our Discord and Patreon. Aman is one of our elite members, so he could ask for mini stocks short for entry and exit. For now, I'll check right now the stocks that Aman, one of our members, need update for. So, brother, for this one, looking really good, 5%. So if you want to have an exit, watch out for this profit taken right now. It's getting near around the 8.19 and $9.46. Two profit taken should be triggered. If you want to do trainer stop, watch out for, first of all, we got here the 683, and of course the main support that you have to watch out for if you want to do train stop is the 737 for NVTS, looking really good. The other one, QuantumScape, you should consider taking a bit of profit right now, brother, around the $15. If you want to exit right now. It look really overextended and near the resistance, and current support is a bit far. The most reliable support I can see is the 1146, and the profit taken should be 15. If we broke the 15, we have the 21. But yeah, it's better to take a bit of profit now. For QSI, 2% already. We have a support for it around the 1130. Current profit taking, let me see. Yeah, current profit taking, it is around, yeah, we have a resistance right now around the 151 if you want to take profit at it, because we might pull back if we don't break here. After that, we have the 168 and yeah, maybe the 194 if we have a huge market. But for now, yes, we have a resistance around the 151 and the 168 if you want to exit. Current support, as we said, 130. Lastly, QBTS, we got support for it around the 2393 with the reverse from it, and the current resistance is the 2853 that we might pull back from. Major resistance for QBTS. This is it for your request, brother. Those are the main stocks that you asked me about. I don't know if you can hear me. Anyway, so let us go back to ASPP, which started to pull back a lot right now. Yes, around the 35. DFLI didn't break yet. FRMI, yes, I will put it on the waiting list here. CIGL pulling back as well, but still holding the support. Yes, those are the main stocks that we should watch. The rest, it might be different story once the market open. Let's see. We have a few minutes left, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Still considering, yeah, we still have just one stock that looked great. The rest is kind of slow for me. Anyway, let's see. Brea. Brea is moving. Interesting. I will check it out. Yeah, Brea is moving, but the short is, it is kind of we have indecision here for the short, man. Yeah, I don't like the short that much. We have a seller for it around the 36, so yeah, it might be good for today if we held the 21.95. Yesterday we pulled back 17, now it's gaining back what we lost yesterday. So yeah, Bria is fighting. BETR is fighting as well. Yes, sir. We have a good reversal from the 48.82, but it's a bit overextended or expensive. Yeah, Bria could be good for today as well, so I'm gonna keep it. It's moving 16%, not bad. Open, guys, currently holding. The market is open. Let's get right to it. Open is still holding the gain here. Let's see the other stocks here. KMX 1% down. Why? Come on, we need a reversal for KMX now. Okay, MU is still going strong. Holy baloney. APLD is still strong, man. Unusual buying pressure for APLD. Let's see. DFLI pulling back. ASPP still pulling back. CIGL holding the support. Bria, nothing much, is light on volume, I think. Yes. And BKKT, guys, is kind of strong, is breaking the resistance. Yeah, ASPP, guys, was really good in the pre-market. Before the market opened, this one was way better for entry before the market opened. Again, guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to be updated about our alerts. As we said, guys, this stock was better for entry early on. Once the price was around the 32, we did this chart for ASPP. Now it's pulling back toward the 35. We have a strong support here, 35. If we held, we might have a reversal. DFLI pulling back, breaking the first support, going toward the 65. CIGL, yeah, CIGL could be the one. If we held the current support, it could reverse now. Welcome, Abdullah Shai. Welcome to our new member, Mighty Hunter. Thank you for the support, brother. Shout out to Abdullah. Shout out to our new member on YouTube membership. Thank you for the support again, brother. What's going on here? We got CIGL, guys, trying harder to hold the support. ASPP holding the support tightly as well over the 35. DFLI, nothing much happening here, guys, for DFLI. It's putting back toward the support. BKKT, guys, going slowly up. This one, look at that. It's been going up slowly lately from, imagine, $10 right now, $37 since 22nd of September, almost 2 weeks. And still going strong, really strong. 1 week and did almost 4x. This is madness. Yeah, we have $40 as a level to watch out for because right now it's still going slowly. The volume is really slow for it. It's not that big. It's not your typical unicorn. Nike is moving, guys. We have a breakout for Nike from the 74. ABLD, guys, there's someone buying ABLD blindly again. 10%? Are you kidding me? Like, look at this, man. If you tell me APLD will go from the 13 until the 30, I will tell you you are a liar. Look at that. 100% in just 1 month, man. And the earnings is coming in 9th of October. I think we have a huge earning for it. So everybody betting on APLD. And I think, yeah, we have bad earnings back in April. The best entry was in April, around the $3. Imagine $3 right now, $30. So almost 1000%, man, in half a year. APLD is crazy. Yes, it is a unicorn. This one is a unicorn on the swing trade stocks. Exactly. This one is a unicorn, but for the swing trade stocks. Madness is going. But yeah, it's kind of we have a FOMO buying from a whale. You see, guys, when a stock like this go like this is mean a whale, not just one whale, but many whales, and FOMO buying on it. Because this is crazy, man. 100% in just 1 week is crazy, or 1 month. Let's see. Neo is going up as well, 4% here. Let's go to CIGL, nothing much. It's really slow for the unicorn, guys. All the action in the pre-market, look at that. All the action is actually in the pre-market. Now, maybe SPP will come back, but it was better action in the pre-market. Now is a bit slow. You see, Brea is pulling back. We have a lot of pullback. Let's see the top gainers. CIGL still number one. We got TSHA. Okay. This one might be good to watch, but not now. Anyway, let's see if we got anything is being halted right now. Yeah, UFG. UFG. I think it is holy baloney is going to the depths of the sea. It is top loser. It's halted down. It might reverse if it held over the $1.40, but it's too risky, man. UFG is halted down 70%, guys. Madness. ASPP, CIGL, TSHA, IVDA. Yeah, IVDA, it might reverse, already reverse now from the 157. Yeah, IVDA looking interesting, guys. Let's see. Yeah, it might give us another 13% here. So I'm gonna keep it on the main list here. Yeah, it's jumping. Started to reverse perfectly. This reversal started in the pre-market. Like started early. Let's see, TSHA. This one is strong as well. Just came right now. TSHA. It was hiding from my scans. Was hiding. This one is sneaky. Playing hide and seek. Yeah, it's not that much up. Try to find support for it. Okay. Interesting, interesting. Let's see. Yeah, TSH guys looking really good here. Volume is good, the chart looking good. We have 462 break. IVDA the same, strong right now, broke the resistance and is going strong for the other resistance around the $2. Yeah, this one could be the one to watch actually. ASPP lost momentum, guys. Yeah, lost momentum. I think big seller just came around the 40 cent again. So it lost momentum right now. Yeah, it might be going to correct down. If it broke the 35, yes, we might correct. Yeah, CIGL broke the support. DFLI is pulling back. BKKT is going slow, but at the right direction. Yeah, so the main ones is here, BKKT, IVDA, and TSHA. Open, nothing much. It's a bit slow for today. KMX, guys, could be the one right now. KMX had earnings. It pulled back almost 25%, and now it might reverse, guys. It reversed, yeah, 25%. And now is about to break. We might break right now the 46.65. If we broke this resistance, guys, we might squeeze up. KMX, guys, is undervalued after the earnings back here in the 25th of September. Yeah, we have a new high slightly. Let's see, 46.65, and before 46.66, and here 46.70. Interesting. Yeah, we have a new high, guys, for KMX officially. Yes, sir. Let's go. KMX is going. KMX is going. I'm watching for the $50, guys. Now is almost 2%. We need another 7% for KMX. $50 should be the level to watch out for. Yeah, KMX light on volume, but I expect a huge reversal for it for today. The other level for KMX, if we reverse, is the 50, maybe, yeah, 54, yes. Would be great to test the 54. Or, yeah, 53.83 maybe. Yeah, for now we have to go toward the 50. So maybe 7%. Let's see how much we can do. Yeah, 9% for today if we went toward the 50. And here another 7, so will be 16%, 15%. If we have a good reversal, of course. What is broke the resistance, guys? KMX. IVDA is put back. BKKT just hit the resistance almost around the 40. ISPP is still holding this support. TSHA is moving. Yes, sir. No, not yet. KMX is moving. Yes, yes, sir. EHang is blowing up. I will check it. TSHA FDA news. Thank you, Martin Abolo, for the reminder. SPET and EHang. Let's see. Check SPET, SBET, and EHang. Yeah. Okay, let us delete. Wolf is going down, guys. QuantumScape, nothing. Farming, nothing's flashing. BETR, nope. Bria, don't like it that much. It's kind of slow. RVYL is going down, but still like the short look kind of beautiful. Wolf, yeah, I'm gonna take it down. Luck, nuke. Anyway, so SBET and EHang. Let's see. EHang 5%. When you say blowing up, I thought like it's 50% up. But yeah, look great for the short, man. Yeah, looking great. It's getting near a major resistance though, around the $20. But yeah, looking beautiful, EHang, guys. Looking really juicy here. Thank you for the reminder, brother. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it on the list. SPET, on the other hand, 3% have 1 million worth of volume. But yeah, still didn't reverse yet. Yeah, we have a huge flush back here. We have reverse split. We have a huge flush on 13th of June. We have a huge flush in July. So SPET might reverse, but yeah, yeah, it's still holding the gains that we did after reverse split, because before it was almost around the three, jumped 4,000%. So it's current, yeah, it's kind of correcting down. So yeah, SPET not bad for later, man. So I'm gonna keep it on the list. So TSHA, nothing much, is still holding. IVDA pulling back. BKKT testing the resistance. ISPP, guys, is pulling back a lot now. It was really good in the pre-market, to be honest, guys. This one was the main event in the pre-market, as we discussed it here on our Discord. The best entry was around the 35 or below the 35 cents. Anyway, a man, perfect. NVNI, any good chart, please? Night Rider, I will check it right now for you. NVNI to see if it's good or not. NVNI, no good, man. It's 56%, is flashing down right now. It's too risky play. Watch out for two levels. The first one, 828. The second one should be around the 22. So if we have a reversal, we should reverse here, brother. So watch out for those two levels. Current resistance, if we reverse, is the 41. Profit taken, of course. But yeah, it's about, we should have a reversal there. We ought to have a reversal around the 41, around 28 and 22. Two levels of reversal. 41 is the level of profit taken. Open chart, okay, I will check it open for you. Open is kind of slow today, didn't break the support, is getting near the support. If it broke the 783, watch out for the 6 instead. We have a really interesting support to hold over the $7. Yes, $7. So right now we have a support over the 783. If we broke it, watch out for the 7. And of course, around the 7 should be 10% dip, and we might have a reversal at least around the 767. You have to enter and exit very quick, because we might flush again toward the 570. And so yeah, we have two levels, $7, 570. Two levels, really strong support. The main one right now is the 783. So if we held it, we don't have a flush, it means we consolidate and go toward the 919. NVNI, guys, is flashing like crazy. So watch out, brother. This one is pretty risky. High risk, high reward, of course, because if we reverse from the 28, we're going to reverse big time. So I'm going to keep it on the list here to watch it later. For now, let's see again. ESHA is moving. BENF, 30%, BANF. Yeah, BNF, I put it on the other list. Let's see, I think, yeah, BENF is moving. CIGL is still holding, so BNF is moving. I'm gonna keep it on the list. DFLI is moving the same. Yeah, DFLI might be good for later. CIGL might be good for later. Caval, nope. Okay, let's go really quick for BENF. Yeah, BNF did really good job of jumping, but now I think time for a pullback a bit because it tested a strong resistance around the $1.20. That's why we have a bit of wick here. For now, yeah, I will watch for the support around the 92 if we have a pullback. And of course, here around the 69. Yeah, BANF looking good, but a bit light on volume. NVNI started to reverse a bit before the support. What else we got? Yeah, DFLI. Yeah, DFLI maybe for later with CIGL. I'm gonna keep those on the main list. The rest is not interesting for me. CIGL here, TSHA didn't break. Yeah, BKKT guys hit the profit taken and is going toward the ultimate around the 42. Yeah, BKKT did good. We already discussed it actually on our Discord before this jump. It was a really good entry as well for BKKT. Yes, here. As you can see, guys, around the 35.14, we said the 37 and 39 is the profit taken. Again, this update, we did it before our live streaming, and now is around the 42 even. Yeah, BKKT did a really great job for today. Yeah, KMX, guys, is reversing officially. Officially reversing up, guys. KMX, I think someone started to buy KMX right now. Huge buyer started to buy KMX. Would be great if we see the 53 for today or the rest of the week by tomorrow. Yeah, to correct a bit from the 25% down. It should be, yeah, now it's 18% down from the market. 13% here, 7% here. It was almost 26%. Now it's 18. Anyway, DPR, DPRO from the depth. I think I took it from the list because yeah, it was dipping. Yeah, DPRO. Yeah, 10% DPRO broke from the $10. So it's not from the depth. It's jumping from the top actually. This is a new high for it. Yeah, it's going toward the major level right now around the 1170. Not bad. Not bad for DPRO. Yeah, DPRO looking interesting. TSHA is moving a bit. Okay, APLD is moving down a bit from the 28. I think we're gonna have a correction right now for APLD. Yeah, a bit of correction. Tesla have a bit of correction as well here. Coinbase is still jumping. Okay, Ethereum doing fantastic here, going toward the 4,400. A nice reversal for Ethereum. Dogecoin is starting to reverse as well. Good action from cryptos. And ATCH is still struggling here. We have another question from our elite member, Lack. Lack for Etrice. Let me just check Lack for you, brother. I think I put it on the waiting list here. Lack. No, I took it from the list, I think. Let's check Lack. Lack, we got support around the 660. If we held this support, would be great to go toward the 745, which is the current resistance and profit taken, and after that, almost the $8. The ultimate one is out of the 9. Yes, I believe 9, or maybe the 850. Yes, and after that, maybe the 930. So we have 3 levels for it. If we broke the 745, of course. We have the 8, 850, 930, and current support is the 660. And if we have a flush, I will watch for the dip around the 577 for Lack. But yeah, it's not completely bad. Look, interesting for a reversal from this trend. As you can see here, we got a nice breakout for Lack. Yeah, it looked really interesting. So I'm gonna keep it on the main list actually. It looked not bad. With DVLT. NVTS. So what a nice jump for NVTS. So I'm gonna keep the main ones. I'm gonna take EHang from the list. Anyway, guys, this is it for now. We're gonna do a major update later on to discuss the market. Aman's asked about SPY is not decided if we couldn't high or not. I will check right now, man. SPY. I will check the SPY very quick. Yes, the SPY have a new high. So yeah, it's too dangerous right now, man. As long as we hold the 650, we're gonna continue this majestic jump. So watch out for the 650 as a confirmation for continuation for this market. Yes. Now the sky's the limit. NVNI reversing, Ruben. I will check it. NVNI. I think. Yeah, NVNI start to reverse. Yes, because it's got near the 28. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. DPRO, a unicorn. Yes, indeed. If it held the $10. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I will do major update later on for the swing trade and day trade, of course, later on in Discord. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you all by tomorrow at the same time, 30 minutes before the market open on our live streaming here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and put notification on so you be notified once we go live. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you all by tomorrow.